How to change your ePortfolio view. Log in to Onyxon.ca and click on the ePortfolio button. Here you can see a card for each of your ePortfolio submissions. These cards show all your listening, reading, writing, speaking, other, and about me artifacts. There is a toolbar on the top of the artifact cards. You can change how you view your ePortfolio by choosing the options from this toolbar. To view artifacts for one skill, for example, select that skill from the options, such as reading. The new page will show only the reading artifacts. There are 3 of them. You can click on more than one skill at a time. For example, when I click on listening, with reading already checked, we now see the 3 reading artifacts plus 1 listening one. Next, I'm going to click on the Name button. But before I click on it, we can see that there are 2 little arrows, one pointing up and one pointing down, beside the word Name. This is the neutral position. When I click on the Name button, the 2 arrows changes to an up arrow. This means the artifacts are in alphabetical order. It shows that the artifacts are arranged from A to Z. Note that we're not talking about the course name, but the artifact file name. When I click on it again, the up arrow changes to a down arrow that shows that the artifacts are now sorted from Z to A. Next to the Name button is the Course button. When I click on it, all the artifact cards of a course are arranged next to each other. Beverly's Class course, and then the Canadian Citizenship Prep course, and finally the Learn About Computers course. To set how many artifacts appear on a page, I'll click on All. A drop-down menu appears that lets us choose how many of the artifacts we wish to view. There are currently 6 artifacts for this student. When I choose 5, only 5 of the 6 artifacts are shown. Next, I'll move across and click on the Most Recent button. The button changes to Oldest, and the artifacts are arranged from old to new. The last button on this toolbar is an Upload button, and we'll deal with that in another tutorial. That's the end of this tutorial.